banking, function of money, medium of exchange, unit of account, store of value, dynamic nature, cashless nature. Currency, fiat money, currency, notes and coin, authorized by government, no intrinsic value, zero interest bear bond, promissory note, also called legal tender, cannot be refused for any transaction. क्वाइन, इंडिया क्वाइनेज एक्ट 2011 empowers गवर्नमेंट टू इशू क्वाइन अप टू 1000 डोमिनेशन सर्कुलेटेड 50 पैसा, 1 रुपया, 2 रुपया, 5, 10, 20. नोट इशू, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इशू क्वाइंस एंड ₹1 note. RBI issue all other currency notes on behalf of central government. ₹1 note, technically a coin in a paper form, issued by Ministry of Finance, not RBI, signed by Finance Secretary, falls under Coinage Act, not RBI Act. Seigniorage, difference between face value of currency and cost of producing it. Profit earned by government from printing money. Check or CTC and cryptocurrency. Check, paper instructing bank to pay from account, demand deposit are not legal tender. Check can be refused. Check truncation system, CTS, RBI online image based clearing system, mandated NPCI as check processing center, eliminates physical check movement. RBI will manage the clearing house. Cryptocurrency, digital virtual currency using cryptography on a decentralized blockchain network. Example, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Monero, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Trading, investing allowed in India, not authorized as a currency. Tax 30% fiat on gains, 1% TDS. Losses get no relief, called virtual digital asset. Dinesh Sharma committee recommended a total ban. India has not classified crypto as illegal, but they are not legal tender. Non-fungible token, NFT, distinction cryptographic asset to establish verify ownership of digital asset cannot be subdivided or interchanged. Each has unique value. Example, ownership of house, boat, painting. Central bank digital currency, CBDC, e-rupee, digital form of official currency issued and controlled by RBI, like cash, but in digital form. Currently in trial stage, when fully operational, fiat money and legal tender. ई-रूपी RBI और ई-रूपी NPCI. रूपी में जो डबल ई वाला है RBI का है, आई वाला है NPCI है. NPCI इशूड बाय RBI ई-रूपी और ई-रूपी आई वाला NPCI. नेचर, सेंट्रल बैंक डिजिटल करेंसी, डिजिटल वॉलेट इन फोन्स. और ई-रूपी NPCI वाला डिजिटल गिफ्ट कार्ड, SMS, QR कोड फॉर ए स्पेसिफिक पर्पस. यूज P2P and P2M transaction, QR code at merchant. Beneficiary do shopping, avail service. Legal tender, yes when fully operational. Currently trial, no or not currency. Digital payment, NPCI and RBI system. NPCI, Non-Payment Corporation of India, umbrella organization for retail payment statement, initiate of RBI and IBA under Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. Not for profit company, सेक्शन 8 कंपनी एक्ट 2013. UPI 2016, यूनिफाइड पेमेंट इंटरफेस, इंस्टेंट रियल टाइम पेमेंट बाय NPCI, P2P and P2M, single mobile app, 24/7. UAE, France, Singapore accepted merchant UPI. Bheem, based on UPI, facilitated e-payment shortly through bank. And interoperable with all UPI app and bank account. AEPS. AEPS Aadhaar enabled payment system. Financial transaction on micro ATM using Aadhaar plus fingerprint iris scan. NETC National Electronic Toll Collection. Electronic toll at plaza using FASTag. NACH National Automated Clearing House facilitate high volume low value debit and credit interbank transaction by NPCI. IMPS Immediate Payment Service Instant 24/7 interbank transfer via मोबाइल 1 से 5 लाख पर ट्रांजेक्शन. BBPS भारत बिल पेमेंट सिस्टम रिपीटेटिव यूटिलिटी बिल पेमेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाटर गैस DTH. रूपे इंडिजिनस पेमेंट सिस्टम रूपी प्लस पेमेंट मास्टर कार्ड वीज़ा कार्ड इक्विवेलेंट वर्क वाया ATM POS ऑनलाइन पोर्टल सपोर्ट डेबिट क्रेडिट प्रीपेड कार्ड. फीचर और RTGS RBI और नेफ्ट RBI. मिनिमम ट्रांसफ़र टिपिकली हायर मिनिमम 2 लाख इवन ₹1 अलाउड इन नेफ्ट में. मैक्स ट्रांसफ़र करोड़ लोअर लिमिट सेट बाय बैंक. सेटलमेंट रियल टाइम ग्रॉस सेटलमेंट बैच सेटलमेंट होता है नेफ्ट में. पर्पस लार्ज वैल्यू बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शन स्मॉलर रिटेल ट्रांजेक्शन. फी हायर ड्यू टू रियल टाइम प्रोसेसिंग लोअर. ATM network operates on NPCI National Financial Switch. Largest network of shared ATM in India. Bank ATM owned managed installed by bank. Brown label ATM owned by bank. ATM operation outsourced to non-banking firm. Bank handles cash plus back end server carries bank's logo. White label ATM owned and operated by a non-banking firm does not carry any bank logo, carries logo of the firm owning it. Merchant discount rate MDR fee that business pay to payment processing company for each debit credit card transaction split among issuing bank acquiring bank card network payment processor. High MDR discourage merchant from adopting POS terminal obstacle to digital economy.